Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Well, you know that oil prices were also held back by geopolitical concerns, including impending US sanctions against Iran, which produces 4% of global supplies. Secondly, the President Donald Trump cancelled a planned summit with North Korea. The summit on Friday, North Korea agreeing to the summit and hoped that Trump's formula would help to reach a deal between the adversaries. On the other hand, the US President also held out hope that he and Kim could meet in future. He said that nobody would be anxious. We have to get it right. On May 25th, Reuters reported that OPEC and Russia could raise oil output by June after the White House raised concern that oil prices were too high. Finally, the upcoming weekly installment of drilling activities from Baker Hughes on June 1st will provide investors with fresh insight into the US oil production and demand. On analysis of the current position of the crude oil futures, in the same chart, which I find that WTI crude oil futures look ready to continue their downward voyage during the upcoming week. No doubt that the WTI crude oil futures will be passing through a volatile phase during the downward voyage due to futile attempts by oil bulls amid shifting news flow during the upcoming week. Let us have a look at the movement of WTI crude oil futures in a daily chart which I presented in my last analysis. First of all, let us have a look at the current movement of oil prices in the same daily chart in a Gantt square which I presented in my last analysis to understand the importance of resistance and support levels. Friends, here you can see the closing level of WTI crude oil futures at the weekly closing on May 25th, 2018 at the level of $67.48. After taking a sharp downward move from the level of $73, it came downward straight toward the current level. Now I expect the WTI crude oil futures to consolidate for a while at this level till the impending inventory announcement on coming Wednesday. Let us have a more closer look at the movement of WTI crude oil futures before the weekly closing. Here you can see the same chart in 4-hour chart zone. You can see that the WTI crude oil futures have reached below the 200 days moving average. Now it has come down here with a steep downward move, and the other moving averages, they are also showing a continuation of selling pressure at this level, which may push the crude oil futures to remain under pressure for some more time. This phase may continue till the announcement of pending inventory around this level. So you may find that W crude oil futures are made a lot of volatile moves due to short covering and profit booking at every up move. No doubt if the short covering or a sudden shift in expected inventory brings the WTI crude oil futures over the level of $71, you will find a fresh creation of between the level of $73 and 71. At this level you will find a fresh between $73 and 71. Finally, the upcoming week installment of drilling activities from the Baker Hughes on June 1st will provide investors with fresh insight into the US oil production and demand. Thanks for watching my video. If you find my analysis useful in taking a right decision at the right time, please subscribe my YouTube channel SS Analysis. You will receive my updated views on crude oil, natural gas, gold, silver and different base metals. You are requested to share this YouTube video with your more and more friends. Your valuable efforts will boost my morale to work more hard for my valuable readers.